everyone. So a fellow artist friend, Nate Cerami, was telling me about this hair color bottle. So I picked one up at Sally's this weekend, and I'm going to do a pour with it. I'm going to do something a little different. I've seen people do it on top of the paint, and I want to do it under the paint. So I'm going to mix up a dirty bottle, and we'll go from there. So I think for this one I want to keep my colors simple, and probably my go-to colors that I normally use. So I'm going to start with Soho Phthalo Green Blue. And I'm going to use Deco Art Peacock Pearl. And Prussian Blue. And this is from Grumbacher. And I'm going to throw in just a little bit of the phthalo green, yellow green from Grumbacher. And I'm going to use black because I'm going to put white on the canvas. So I'm going to start with black. I'm going to follow that with the Peacock Pearl. And then the Soho Phthalo Green Blue. Some Prussian Blue. A little bit of Lime Green. And some more Prussian Blue. So I have a little over 2 ounces of paint here, which is plenty for what I want to do with it. Just want to do a quick check. Okay. So I'm going to cover the canvas with white. And this is my base paint that I mix up. 1 part paint, 2 parts Floetrol, and water to get it to consistency. And I do want to leave this on just a little heavy so that the paint will come up through. So I'm just going to move it around a little bit. We have been playing with a lot of gadgets lately, haven't we? Just mixing it up so newbies can have a little fun too. It's kind of boring sticking with flip cups. Okay, so I think we got it leveled on there. So what I want to do with this bottle is push it down to the canvas and leave the paint under the white. But we don't know if this can work, so this is all new. So when I tilt this, we should see paint coming up. I'm going to give it a torch first. All those air bubbles out. Alright, so let's tilt and see what happens. Not much, huh? got plenty of paint left. I can always go in and put some more. But I want to give that white paint a chance to sink down a little bit. I had to get a new torch out. I blew out a torch last night. I'm still going to tilt a little bit more, I think. So I'm not seeing too much come up. But it is moving. Let me tip it some more. Any difference at all by tilting it, so let me push it back a little bit. I'm going to put a couple more strands through. I love this. It's like, do I want to wait it out and see what it looks like, or let's see what happens. Okay, so I let it sit for a few minutes and brought you back. We had a little more change. The colors definitely are a little brighter now. It's not quite so soft, but I kind of like it because it's a soft palette. So if you're digging it like I am, I think it's pretty cool. Subscribe if you haven't already. Click like and share and leave a comment. Let me know what you think. It's kind of interesting there. I really like that little patch there. If you look at it from a distance, you could make that into a winter theme. Like this be the tree and some mountains. It'd be pretty neat. So check out my links below. Shop with me on Amazon. Join me on Facebook. Also, the Stone Coat art resin is down below, the code for that, CWA, all in caps. You get $30 off a $80 purchase. And Redbubble and Etsy links are also there. So let me know what you think, guys, and thanks so much for joining me today, and I'll see you on the next one.